In this video, I'm going to show you how to resize and change the file type of any images you may need to upload into your AllProWebTools console. You'll find yourself needing to upload several images in AllProWebTools in order for the console to work for your company. This includes images for your website, for your products, for your user profiles, but today I'm going to look specifically at your invoice pictures under Settings and Invoicing. Your invoice header image is an example of an image you must upload with a specific size and file type. We know that this file must be in the JPEG format and that this is the size it must be. I already have a logo I want to use, so let's take a look at that right now. So here's my logo, but I can't tell if it's the correct file type or the correct size, so I'm going to close this photo viewer. When I look at this file in the folder, I can tell whether it's the correct file type or not by simply hovering over. And notice it says item type PNG image. That means this is a PNG file and not a JPEG like I need. I can also find this by right-clicking on the file I need and clicking on Properties. Under Properties, it will show me type of file, and once again tells me that is a PNG and not the JPEG that I need. So now I know I need to change the file type. To figure out if I need to change the size, I'm going to open up Microsoft Paint, and now I'm going to go ahead and open my logo image. I can see the size of my picture on the bottom of Paint. This one is 817 by 162, which is much smaller than what I need this picture to be. While I have this open, I'm going to press the Select and choose Select All. Now I can right-click and copy this image because I'm going to need it later. The best way to make an image that's the correct size is to go ahead and start a new Paint project. Now that I have a new workspace, I'm going to make it the correct size. So first, let's double check what size I need to make this. Here are my sizes, 2249 by 339. So I can click on the Resize button, and instead of changing by percentage, I want to change by pixels. Now I can type in what I need. For the horizontal, I need to have 2249. But did you notice the vertical change? Watch, I'm going to change the vertical to the correct value, 339, and the horizontal is going to change along with it. This is because I have this aspect ratio option checked. If I uncheck it, now I can change the horizontal and the vertical without them changing each other. Now that I have the correct size, 2249 by 339, I can click OK, and I have a blank workspace that's going to be the correct size my final image needs to be. Now I can right-click and paste that logo that I had copied earlier. Notice how the logo is much smaller than the workspace I have to work in. I can change the zoom setting so I can see my workplace more easily. And now I can select the logo that I have and resize it until it fits better in the workspace. I can even get fancy if I like and add a line to add a little bit of style to my invoice header. But now that I have a logo that's the correct size, I can choose to Save As, and now I need to make sure it's the correct file type. I'll name this New Logo, and under Save As Type, this one needs to be a JPEG, so that's the file type I'm going to select. And now I can save. Now I can go back to my AllProWebTools console, and when I choose a file to upload, I'll be able to upload my new logo since it's the correct file type and size.